To load component tape into the Europlacer Leaderless Feeder, cut the tape at a 45-degree angle through the center of the sprocket hole and the component pocket. This opens space for the plow blade to enter and separate the cover tape. Discard what remains of the first component. Insert the tape into the feeder. Use your thumbs to advance the tape until the first component reaches the pick window. Align the pocket center with the hash mark on the feeder. For thinner tape, cut the tape in the same manner. Insert the tape into the feeder. Use the tape push tool to advance it to the pick window. For emboss tape, cut the tape the same way. Insert the tape into the feeder. Use tweezers to gently lift the cover tape, allowing the plow blade to enter and separate it. Use the tape push tool to advance the tape to the pick window and align the pocket center with the hash mark on the feeder.